On an afternoon of November 20th, the Miller Lab, known for its advanced research in biotechnology, would become the scenario of one of the most horrendous massacres in history. Founded 20 years ago, Miller Lab was the vanguard of science. But behind closed doors, dark secrets were about to be revealed. It was a quiet afternoon, preparations for a birthday celebration, an energy failure, an unexpected penumbra hit the lab. Security systems failed, and the creatures that there inhabited were freed. The experiments that should be the salvation and innovation of humanity became their worst nightmare. Mutant creatures, result of extreme genetic manipulations, were now released. The first victim was an unsavory girl. Her name was Mary. Without knowing what was coming, he became part of the carnage. Panic quickly spread between scientists and employees. Some managed to refuge in safe rooms, but lack of communication and darkness made everything even more terrifying. The fight for survival began. The creatures were smarter than they imagined. They learned to hunt, and each scream echoed as a reminder of what had been released. A small group decided to face the creatures. Armed only with courage and improvisation, they fought against the horrors that were only scientific experiments. Miller Lab was left in ruins. The story of this massacre spread as a warning about the dangers of uncontrolled science, and humanity ended. And so ends the story of the Miller Lab, which was supposed to be a simple lab, became an apocalypse. This is a dark reminder that some doors shouldn't be opened. This is just the beginning.
Feel like a brand new